Hey there, Jerry Spangler. I'm a professional internet marketer with Carbon Copy Pro, and thanks for visiting today. This is day 9 of the 50-day video marketing challenge, and the question I keep getting is, how am I going to figure out how much money I'm actually making from this particular marketing channel? I already have a number of others going at the same time. How do I distinguish that I'm actually going to be able to make $10,000 from this particular video series? So thought we'd talk about that, and basically it all starts with a query string. A query string is the letters and numbers at the end of a domain name. Well, a domain name, first of all, is the www.soandso.com. That's your domain name, and many times you'll see at the end of that a string of letters and numbers that are preceded by a question mark. That's called a query string, and what that's doing is it's delivering information to the web server that serves up the web page according to that domain. So if you go to google.com, often you'll see a number of letters and numbers right behind the google.com, and I call it gibberish, and that's called a query string parameter, and it's basically instructing Google on those parameters. For example, if you look at this page here, you'll see my sites listed as http://180daystofreedom.com. Question mark T equals D9-50YT. And basically the question mark indicates the end of the domain name, and anything that comes after that is a query string parameter. In this case, that query string indicates a tracking code. And the T is the letter that my company uses to distinguish that this is a tracking code. The equals, well, it means equals. And then the D9-50YT is simply the code that I entered to distinguish that this is day 9 of the 50-day video marketing challenge from YouTube. And so what I can do is I can literally go back and look at the leads that are generated from this video alone, because when someone clicks through on that domain name, it will retain that code, and I can literally tell that somebody visited my website from day 9 of the 50-day marketing challenge, video marketing challenge, because it retained that code. So I'm able to track my leads that way and track my money that way. So I can go back to my back office where I'm managing my business, and I can actually log in and see where all of my leads came from. I can run a sort or filter and clear out everything else but the leads that came from this 50-day video marketing challenge. I can even tell what video that lead came through from. So, and by being able to do that, I can then distinguish the sales that were made from that list of leads to determine how much money I actually made from that particular marketing campaign. And so that's kind of how we track where our money comes from. I hope this has been helpful. I mean, this is a little bit of a glimpse into how internet marketing works. And if you'd like to learn more, then you can get tracked and click through to the link, and you'll not only get tracked, but you'll also find out a lot more fascinating things about how we make money on the internet. So it's been Jerry Spangler, day 9 of the 50-day video marketing challenge, and hope you get involved. Until tomorrow, take care.